Hello, good day everyone. Before I'm going to start, let me introduce myself. I am Miss Catherine Isabella and together with my group mates, namely, we have Miss May and Amazon, Sandy Higis, Sumili Melissa, Maito Taiba, and Bidania Kaz. So I am going to report the output that we've been done, that is all about the reflective teaching. Now let me define to you what is reflective teaching. It is the ability to reflect on one's actions so as to engage in a process of continuous learning. So as a teacher, it means looking at what you do in the classroom, thinking about why you do it, and thinking about if it works, a process of self-observation and self-evaluation. So in our group, we've chosen the grade 10 mathematics as our topic or title of the lesson. So we have lesson 1, arithmetic sequences and series. So our objectives, we have 3 objectives. I can determine arithmetic means and nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Second, I can solve the sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence and series. Third, I can relate and integrate the lesson in real life setting. So our introduction, we have arithmetic sequence is a sequence whose successive terms differ by the same non-zero number t, that is called common difference. Arithmetic series is the indicated sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. In this chapter, we will study patterns of numbers called sequences and their sums called series. Then we use patterns to determine whether sequences are arithmetic. In this lesson, we'll learn how to write and evaluate the sequences and series. So for the content, we have lesson 1, arithmetic sequence and series. So sequence has connections to geometry, art, and architecture that you have previously learned in your grade 9, since this is for the grade 10 mathematics. So we are referring to the grade 9 of this previous lesson. So here are the following lessons you will learn for this week. So first, finding common difference and nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Second, sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Third, finding the nth term given 2 terms. So fourth, we have sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic series. So the link and book page given below are your guide to answer the activities in the practice exercise and evaluation part. Okay, so we have the drill and exercises. So we have the instruction. Determine whether each sequence could be arithmetic. So if so, find the common difference and the next term. Write your answer in the space provided. So we have number 1 given by the sequence of 46, 39, 32, 25, 18. So the students give their solution on the space provided. So as with number 2 with the given sequence, 28, 21, 15, 10, and 6. So let's proceed to the real life question, which is we can relate this into our objectives that the students are able, or it's stated there that I can relate the arithmetic sequence and series to the real life setting. So we have the question, give at least 2 examples that involves arithmetic sequence and series in our daily lives. So the students answer in the space provided by the teacher. So next, we are going to proceed with the part of the assessment of our reflective teaching. So we are given the instruction to answer the following. Write your answer in the space provided. Of course, instruction or direction are important that we give it to the students in order for them to be guided on what they're going to do. So we have first, find the term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 7, 9, and 11. So the students are going to show their solution on the space provided. Second, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence 4, 10, 16. So they are also given the privilege to show the solution. So as with number 3 with the given problem. Find the arithmetic mean between 9 and 49. Number 4, find the indicated sum of the arithmetic series whose S sub 15 for 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 17 and so on and so forth. Okay, so next we have number 5. Find the sixth term of the sequence with a sub 9 equals 120 and a sub 14 equals 195. 6. Find the missing terms in the arithmetic sequence 11, box, and negative 17. So the students are going to present their solution and the space provided by the teacher. Now let's going to proceed to the reflection of the teacher, reflection part of the reflective teaching. So next we have the instruction. Check the box that corresponds to your answer to each indicator. So the students will fill up the table below as prepared by the teacher. So we have the indicator for fair, good, and excellent. So as the instruction says, the students are going to check the box that corresponds to their answer. So first we have, I can determine arithmetic means and nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So they are going to check if they are good or excellent, or maybe they are poor or fair. Next we have, I can relate the lessons in real life situation. Do the students relate it in the real life situation? So they are going to answer if they have or if they relate it in real life. It may be good, excellent, poor, and fair. So as with number 3, I can solve the sum of the terms of a given arithmetic sequence and series. So now we have presented the 3 questions in order for them to reflect what is their learning on the certain topic. So now the question, what topic do you find difficult? So the question says an open-ended question that they can express their emotion or feeling towards the topic. Now, what topic you find interesting, or maybe they are enjoying the topic and then they find interesting part of the finding the arithmetic means or the arithmetic sequence or evaluating the arithmetic series. It depends upon the students, and that result or that certain feedback or answer of the students would reflect to the teacher's teaching on and doing in the or inside the classroom. So next we have the third question, what topic you need help? Of course, the students may find it difficult, so therefore they can ask the teacher for a help if they don't understand that certain topic. Okay, now let's proceed to the next question. So consider a person with whom you share positive attributes: a classmate, a family member, a teacher, a renowned person, etc. So how may these great characteristics or gifts be shared with or used to inspire others? So this question is an open-ended, and then they can express their feelings. They can answer it on the space provided. So now let's go into the crucial part, or the part where we can reflect. This is the math journal for the teacher. So math journal, it is a daily written written attributes, or written, maybe it is a form of a day-to-day journal, and then we have I solved the problem by the first thing I did to solve the problem was I know the answer is reasonable because I can check my answer by the best way to solve the problem would be to I know my answer is correct because in another strategy you could use would be. So it is a sort of a phrases that you're going to start with in order for you to formulate your expression, your emotion, and your feeling as a student, or then so that a teacher would reflect to their teaching. So that would be for our reflective teaching lesson worksheet or module in math that is supported by the group of the following members. That would be all. Thank you.